Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really exciting video because I have a squishy package from Gentleman Squishies. And this isn't just any ordinary squishy package. This package is a Halloween squishy package. So I ordered these squishies because Halloween is right around the corner and I thought it would be fun to have a squishy package that was Halloween themed. I also added these fairy lights in the back, so I hope you like them. I added like 3 different fairy lights, except the third one's kind of blocked by my stuffed animals. But I really like them, so I hope you do too. So before we get started, I just want to say to hit that subscribe button and also hit the like button if you enjoy this video. And when you subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell and comment down below #notificationsquad to get a chance to get a shout out in my next week's video. This week's notification shout out goes to Abby Petruzzi. I'm sorry if I pronounced your last name wrong. Sorry. So let's just get on with the video. So the package came in this adorable like owl mailer, and they just have like little pink owls on them. Here is the bag. Whoa.
One eternity later.
So the first item is this Halloween Pooh squishy. This is by Kunimaru. And I don't think you understand how big this is. I thought this was going to be like maybe at most the size of my palm, and it's like way bigger. It's super squishy as well. Aw, and it comes with this like really cute ghost acrylic charm. Okay, this literally smells like nothing. It's not bad or good. It smells like nothing. Just like air. There are, I think, 3 other designs, and they are on the tag. And I thought they were all really, really cute, but I thought the ghost was just a little bit cuter than everything else. I think part of the reason that this is like so cute is because of the red bow tie. I think that's just like a really adorable touch. So the rest of this package are full of Halloween Octo Stacks, and I have never had any Octo Stacks, so I am so excited for these. So the first one, can't really see it, but, so I finally got the bag open. They used some really like sticky glue stuff on here. So we got, oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's pretty squishy. Oh, it feels so nice. And it's really squishy. And this smells like oranges. It smells like oranges. It smells delicious. Like, actually, it smells like orange flavored soap. And it comes with this red ball chain. I got, I think 5 ice cream Octo Stacks and 1 cone. It was like a special deal they had, and where you could get like 5 of them and 1 cone. I think these are all of the designs, and I really, really like all of them. I would love all of them if I got any of these. I would be so happy. Here is the next one, and I don't know why I keep squishing it, because you can't even see it. And we got, oh my gosh, this is so cute. I got the Dracula, and this one is like really squishy. No! And this one is really squishy. It's so slow rising. Like this is slow rising, but this is like insanely slow rising. This is super duper slow rising and squishy. This one smells like nothing. There's like this is so cute. I searched through the bag and I found the cone, and I can just like feel the cone like right here. So this one did not come with a ball chain. And look at this. The detailing is on point. And this is just so satisfying to squish. And this smells just like the Yummy Bear Fairy Floss. So if you have that squishy, smell it, and that is what this cone smells like. It smells delicious, like sweet. Let's add it to the family. Yay! And we got the same one. It's okay, this one's like really cute. Yay! We got like the mummy, or I think this is a mummy. Whatever it is, it's adorable, and it's just super duper cute and squishy and soft and just everything you want from a squishy. Yeah, this guy's name is Mummy Tummy, and I didn't know that these had names. So this pumpkin guy, his name is Pumpky, and this Dracula, his name is Draco. And I got the spooky purple ice cream cone, and that's probably my favorite cone. There's also a pumpkin orange and a slime green. And this Mummy Tummy came with a silver ball chain. Again, this is really soft and slow rising. This also just smells like nothing, which I think that's a good thing, because at least it can't be like a horrifying scent that nobody likes. We're adding to the family. The last octo stack, last one. Oh yes, I got Wicket. I had to glance at her name there because I forgot it. She is super cute. And she comes with a purple ball chain. And I think she's a witch. Oh, this one I think is probably the most slow rising. She is so squishy. Ooh, she also smells like the Yummy Bear Fairy Floss. Ooh, and she's really airy. And she's definitely the softest. I think she might be my favorite. But adorable. I love this. These ice creams, her octo stacks, are adorable. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. So those were all the squishies. Now I'm going to move on to the extras. First, there is this Totoro pencil case. Adorable Moling stickers. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. There are a few bags of repackaging. This one is really cool. It's like a weird but like really cool texture. and it's kind of like translucent. And this one is yellow with adorable little bows. And there's this little orange pen. Card thing that says, "Thank you, Lauren," with Kurokuma on the front. And a Jenna Lynn sticker. A cat sticker. And these pancakes. And last extra is this airhead, and I love airheads, so. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and also subscribe down below. And when you subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell and comment down below #notificationsquad to get a chance to get a shout out in my next week's video. So thanks for watching. Bye!